Hi, my name's Steve Marvell, this is Crucial Survival, and I'm going to talk about conjunctivitis. Conjunctivitis normally presents with red or itchy eyes and is associated with an infection or allergic reaction. You could have cruddy eyes or sticky eyes, and it's essentially not much fun at all. I'm going to give you some home remedies that you can use if you can't get to a doctor or a pharmacy, and this could alleviate the problem or completely clear it up. Keeping clean. We've been doing this within the pandemic, and we're quite used to washing our hands, but keep your hair clean, face clean, eyes clean. I'll show you the techniques for that during the video and try and describe that for the podcast, which will be hilarious. And you need to keep your hands clean at all times. Specifically, the problem with hands is it's easy to transfer problems between one eye and another, or between one person and another. You need to be really, really vigilant about transfer as well as cleanliness. So I'll be back in a moment. Speak to you soon. You'll first need soap to wash your hands. Next, take a flannel and soak it in really warm water and leave it on the eye for around about 10 minutes. To make the eye wash, you'll need some cooled boiled water, a mug, shampoo or bicarb, then an eye bath, a spoon, some swabs or cotton buds. In order to make the eye wash, if you're using the shampoo, stick a couple of drops in the cup and then pour on the water and stir. If you want to use bicarb to make the eye solution, then put a teaspoon into a cup and then put some water in and stir. Soak the swab and fold it in half. Gently wipe the upper lid and the lash margins, cleaning as much as you can. Go over a few times if necessary. Just don't poke yourself in the eye. Next, fold the swab inside out. Then pull down the lower lid and wipe there as well as the eyelash margin. And then repeat that process 3 or 4 times a day. You can use an eye bath, fill it to about 1/3 full, bend over and cup the eye, tilt your head back and gently move around, swill the eye with the liquid for around about 30 seconds. And we're back. Of course, this is one of those conditions where if left unchecked, it can get worse and becomes more uncomfortable. So don't procrastinate. Get your regime in place, get your bedding changed, get your towels all sorted out, and make sure you're doing that regularly enough that you are improving. If you're not improving, then do consult a medical practitioner or pharmacist or your health line, because there's a possibility that you do need antibiotics depending on the nature of the conjunctivitis with which you are suffering. If there are any other topics, including medical topics, that you would like me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Other than that, get well soon. Hello again. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because when you do so, you will not only ensure that you miss nothing, but your questions and comments will benefit the channel and enhance each episode for everybody. I'll see you in the next one, and in the meantime, keep well, stay at home, and save lives.